Guess what? Pure Skin is back on popular demand. It is new and improved with effective consumer-tested formulations. New and improved Pure Skin gives that required hydration to the skin. With a balanced skin renewal process, it reduces skin inflammation. It has got some wonderful, effective blemish-fighting ingredients. It has BHA, which deeply cleanses and purifies the skin. PHA with antibacterial properties to prevent blemishes. It also has soothing complex technology, which is enriched with panthenol, basil and green tea, which work as a great moisturizer, as an antioxidant and right nutrients for the skin. This range comes with 6 powerful products. Step number 1, wash your face with deep cleanse face wash. Step number 2, use clarifying toning solution. Step number 3, use mattifying cooling face lotion. Scrub off those dead cells clogged in your open pores with smoothing scrub once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Use 5-minute oil controlled clay mask for that mattifying and oil-free look. Use the mask once in a week. For that fast and rapid action on your blemishes, Pure Skin has an SOS Blemish Gel. Use this SOS Blemish Gel when really needed. It reduces the spot size and redness within just 8 hours. It also prevents spots from worsening within 24 hours. Pure Skin Range Deep cleanses your skin from all the impurities. It prevents new blemish formation and fade away old blemish marks as well. Achieve a clear, calm and healthy skin with Pure Skin.